Hey guys, it's Chris here, and MazeTek sent over these night lights for your house, room, closet, or hallway. Now, we've looked at night lights in the past, and that was for the closet. This is a little different. Let's see what features it tells me, and if it really lives up to it. So you can get these on Amazon, and for $12.99 you get a pack of 2. So one box comes with 2 of these. Now I use them in the kitchen, you can use them in the bathroom, something where you can automatically turn on and off based on the light that is in the room. So we have a light sensor here that does variable change depending on how dark or bright the room is. It will choose how dark or light this light will be. Now I chose the warm white, and you have a dial here and you have a slider here to choose how bright you want the light to get. Aside from that, it's pretty simple. You have 2 prongs and this sticks right into your wall and lights up at night. Let's have a look. This is the kitchen, so when I'm walking to the refrigerator, it's easy to look for. So the top 3 things, it's brightness adjustable, it plugs straight into the outlet, and what I like about it is you can plug this into your wall outlet and it doesn't take up both outlets, so you can still use the second one. The light sensor itself is pretty accurate and it does a pretty good job at giving certain amounts of light based on how dark or how light the room or place is. Not sure how much electricity it takes, I'm sure it's not a lot. It is LED, and the slider is useful if you want to control how bright it can get. I personally just leave it on max so that it can get to its max brightness. Overall, you can get this on Amazon for $12.99, so they're $6 a pop, and I give it a price to value ratio of 7 out of 10. If it was, let's say, $3 a piece or $5 a piece, I give it an 8 out of 10. For the price of $6, it could have a Wi-Fi chip. Maybe it could be a smart home product. But it does get you closer to that automated house. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you like these type of products. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for future content. And thank you for 10,500 subscribers. Let's keep going.